Hey everyone, let's have a look at UPS, United Parcel Services, the stock we looked at in December, and I think this will be a great update on looking at a stock both structurally and technically. So good educational session here. First of all, let's just take a look at the stock from sort of an earnings perspective in terms of when the next earnings date is, January 27th. So there's time here if one wants to do a trade that lasts maybe a couple of weeks or so. For before the earnings report hits, meaning we usually don't hold stocks from a trading perspective through earnings. So Jan 27th is when earnings are. Now, if we look at our own algorithms, from a longer term perspective, UPS is just now coming out of this red zone and into this black zone, neutral zone. So the stock is longer term, no longer a short. It's actually becoming a lot more constructive. On the shorter term perspective, which is your momentum time zone or time frame, you can see that October 17th is when UPS started to turn into a bullish momentum phase. And the stock since then is up about 17, call it 18+%. If we look at the chart of UPS just in isolation without any smart algorithms and indicators, you can see that we've been able to overcome a little bit of a base here, and it looks like if we're able to overcome this next level here of resistance, which is somewhere around $102.50, that could then clear the way, all the way somewhere up into the 110s to maybe 115s. Again, that's nice to know, and that type of analysis I think is honorable. I just find that it's very helpful to be able to segment the market into both long-term and short-term and momentum and trend following. So I put a lot more credence into the momentum factor and the long-term trend following factor rather than just drawing lines on the chart, which are part of analysis, but I always caution it should be more than just that analysis when we look at the markets. Hope it helps.